My name is Priscilla, and this is Toddler Time with Priscilla. Today we are going to be making a moon sand. This is an activity that your children can help you with and something that they'll be able to enjoy. What you will need for this activity is 8 to 10 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 2 cups of cornstarch. If you don't want to make this big of a batch, you can always just cut the ingredients in half. So to start off, we are going to be putting in the 2 cups of brown sugar. We're also going to be putting in the 2 cups of cornstarch. You want to mix the dry ingredients first, so that way you don't get any clumps and stuff. So we're going to just mix that real quick. So now we're gonna add in, I have 10 tablespoons here of olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil or coconut oil, whatever you have available at your home. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix everything, and you're gonna mix everything until the cornstarch incorporates with the brown sugar, and then you're gonna see just gonna get all clumpy, and just keep mixing and mixing. Your children can start helping you at this point. You can use your hands if you want them to use a spatula. It's up to you, but it's something they'll enjoy. I already tested it on my 2-year-old daughter and she had so much fun. So I'm just gonna start using my hands. So once you incorporate everything, I'm just gonna put it here for you to see. You can see that it just stays clumped, or it looks like sand. You know, you can, if you have a mold like this one, you can just go ahead and build a tiny sandcastle and it'll stay. So it's something easy, simple, ingredients you can find in your kitchen. If your toddler decides to taste it or eat it, they'll be fine because it's edible. So why don't you go ahead and try it at your home, and you can always just tag us and show us your creations. Next time I'll go ahead and do another activity that is interactive for your children, so I hope to see you then. Thank you.